Welcome to AnimaRhymes, where learning is fun. Today, we're singing Patty Cake. Hello friends, let's go to the bakery and meet Benny the baker. Benny is baking a cake, and he needs to do it fast. Let's help him mix and measure the ingredients. Now it's time to shape the cake and mark it with a special letter. What letter do you think it is? The cake is ready to go into the oven. Let's put it in and wait for it to bake. Benny and the baby are having so much fun baking together. Let's join in and sing along. The cake is finally ready. Let's decorate it and make it look beautiful. Let's sing the song again, and this time, let's dance along. The cake is delicious, and we're so happy we got to bake it together. Thanks for joining us in the bakery. Thanks for watching Patty Cake with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos.